Hi friends, we'll try to display data from our sample MySQL table in a Tkinter window. We have done this before also, but this time we'll use one tree view to display the data. We'll more focus on how to integrate the data inside a tree view than actual tutorial on tree view, which you can see in other parts also. We have explained about how to manage tree views. We'll retrieve data from our MySQL database. So SQL alchemy import create engine. Now we'll say my connection. This is the connection variable or connection string, whatever we'll be using. Create engine. Now inside this we'll connect to write our connection string MySQL plus MySQL DB. Now the user ID. Now I'll say after that let's see the password. So password is okay. I'll write the password. Your case it will be different. It is my local host, so I maintain. This is the DB name. This is where the sample table is there. So this is all my connection engine. Connection string is ready now. Now I will execute. So first I will get the cursor of the record set. This is my connection. This is what I have just created. Execute. Now what it will execute? It will execute the query select star from student. Student is my sample table. I don't want all the records, so there are around 35 records are there, 33 records are there, so I'll just collect 10 records, limit 0 to 10. So this is my record set. So let's first check it for DT in R set. Now print DT. If this works, then our data, so data is coming, 10 records are displayed. So now this data will integrate into our Tkinter tree view. Here we have added few lines of codes. So to our code, this is the Tkinter we are importing. Already you have seen how we have connected to our MySQL database and got the records. This we have added to display our a blank window with 400 by 280. You can change the size, height and width also. So and at the last line we are keeping the window open. So let me place it here. Okay, so now let's just run it and see the blank window. Yeah, this is our blank window. You can see inside this will pass our or display our sample data taken from MySQL. So let's start our tree view first. So we'll say our TRV or tree view equal to, you can give any other name, ttk dot tree view. Now we will display it in our parent window. So myw here we have declared it here. So myw, now we'll say inside this select mode is equal to browse. Now next line, let's place it on the grid. So we'll say grid, now row equal to 1, column equal to 1. Now slightly will from the edge will give some padding. So pad x equal to 20 and pad y equal to 20. You can change these values and see wherever your requirement is there. Now let's go for our columns. So TRV we'll go for our columns here. Columns will actually our database table has 5 columns, so we'll have 5. One tuple will declared 1, now 2, 3, sorry, 4 and 5. So these are the 5 columns we'll be using it. So next, now column is over. Now we'll be showing our TRB. So equal to headings. Now next we'll go and we'll give the width of our columns. So TRB dot column we'll say 1, width equal to, let's put the width as 30, and anchor the alignment, let's give a center alignment. You can change it to left, right and all. So next we'll be going for column 2. Column 1 is ID, so we are given a less width. Column 2 will slightly give more, we'll give 80, because then we'll be writing name, so the width will be little more. I am copying this. Let me scroll down a bit. Yeah, here let me just write, this is column 1, 2, 3. Now here it is 4. Now it will be 5. So this is all our columns we have declared. Now let's say our headings width or headings we will specify now. Heading, now the first one will say, now the text, whatever the first column value, now that is in our case it is ID. So because in the student table first is the ID. Now let me just copy this, paste it here. ID, the second one is will give our name, so name it is. Now third one is class, then let me make it 3. Then let's go and put the fourth one, class. Then after that we'll take mark. Now then fifth one, then we'll say gender. So these are the our headings. So based on that data will come. So already we have then already we have taken the data. So now it's time to push the data. So this is the most important part. Let's comment this. We don't want just thing, we will be using insert now. So what we will be doing it is, inside the TRV insert, first one we'll leave it blank. So then we'll say end, and we'll say IID. IID is the unique ID of that row, which is, we'll understand in our tree view tutorial all the details. Now it is I equal to 0. Now the value will take it. So value is a tuple again. So values equal to, now here the value is dt, first is 0, the ID. Now next will be dt1. dt is here, the inside for loop, here we have we have declared it dt1. Now then we'll say dt2. Now again dt3 and dt4. So it starts from 0. So there are 5 columns, in fact starts from 0, so it is up to dt4. Now that's all. Let's run this. Let's just go, yeah, run this and see how it works. You can see all our tree view is populated. I can select one. So there are other features we will discuss about how we will delete or add a record or display some search results and all. We'll work next on that. But this is how basically we will be integrating the data from our MySQL table into a tree view.